In short question tutor, we will talk about an example of factorization which appears in HKDSE every year. In Part A, we factorize it simply by taking out a common factor. In Part B, we use the result in Part A and take out common factors repeatedly. Let's consider Part A first. The question is 3x square y plus 6xy square. For this type of question, we have to consider numbers and variables separately. For numbers 3 and 6, we can take out 3 as a common factor. For x square and x, we can take out x. For y and y square, we can take out y. That means 3xy is a common factor of these two terms. Remember to write down an opening bracket. After taking 3xy out, we have x plus 2y. Write down a closing bracket. Then, we got the answer, 3xy times x plus 2y. 1 mark will be given for the correct answer. In Part B, we have to factorize 3x square y minus 14y plus 6xy square minus 7x. In HKDSE, most of the questions with Part B are related to its Part A. So, we have to make it similar to Part A. In this question, we have 3x square y plus 6xy square in Part A. Therefore, we have to rearrange the order of terms in Part B. We move this plus 6xy square to the front. We have 3x square y plus 6xy square minus 7x minus 14y. We see that the first two terms are exactly the same as the expression in Part A. So, we can apply the result of Part A here. We have 3xy times x plus 2y. For the last two terms, we can take out negative 7 as a common factor. That means negative 7, opening bracket, and x. Note that, since we take out a negative sign, so we have a plus sign here. Then 2y, and closing bracket. 1 mark will be given for using the result of Part A. This is not completed yet. We can still take out common factor, x plus 2y. Note that, taking out common factor repeatedly is a common trick. So, if you found that the terms inside the brackets are not the same, you probably made a mistake. Now, we write down bracket x plus 2y at the front. The remaining part is 3xy minus 7. In these two brackets, we cannot further simplify or factorize them. So, this is the final answer. And 1 mark will be given for the correct answer. Let's come to the MC question tutor. We have to simplify 4 to the power 2 over 8 to the power 111. This is a question which related to the laws of integral indice. But this law is valid only when the bases of all the powers are the same. If the bases are the same, then we can change the division of powers to subtraction between indices. That means our target is to make 4 and 8 to the powers with the same base. Usually, we make the larger base to a smaller base. Let me show you the steps. 4 equals 2 square, while 8 equals 2 cube. For a power of a power, we can multiply the indices together. So, for these indices, 2 times 2 equals 444. So the numerator becomes 2 to the power 444. For the denominator, this is 3 times 111. So we have 2 to the power 333. We made them the same base. For division, we will do subtraction for the indice. So we have 2 to the power 444 minus 333. And we have 2 to the power 111. So the answer is C. For another MC question, we have to expand an expression with 2 terms times that with 3 terms. Actually, we do not need to expand all the terms. We can just focus on the coefficient of x. We can use this term to determine which option is the correct answer. How can we get the x term when expanding this expression? We found that for both 3x times -1 and -2 times +4x, we will obtain the x terms. For the multiplication of other terms, we cannot obtain any x term. For the blue one first, 3x times -1, we have -3x. For the green one, -2 times +4x, we have -8x. -3 minus 8, we have -11x. That means the coefficient of x is -11. Therefore, option C is the answer.